Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Voltas AC to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First, make sure your Voltas AC is powered on. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the remote until the indicator light starts blinking. On some models, you may need to press the button 4 times until the display shows SA. Now, go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Voltas Smart App. If you're a new user, complete the quick registration. If you already have an account, simply log in. In the app, tap Add Device and choose Air Conditioner. The app will prompt you to press the Wi-Fi button again until the SA symbol appears on your AC display. Once you see that, tap Connect in the app, then click Next. Select your home Wi-Fi network. Important, make sure it's a 2.4 GHz connection, as Voltas ACs don't support 5 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password and press Next. Wait a few seconds for the app to connect your AC. Once it's successful, the AC will appear in the app, and you'll be able to control power, modes, and temperature directly from your phone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.